It's a scene played out in millions of homes every single morning. You're at the school gates or halfway through a grocery trip when you hear the dreaded phrase, "I lost my jumper. Can we buy another one today?" Most of us replace it instantly because we're busy, and we just want the day to move on. But there is a hidden cost to this kindness. When we rescue our kids immediately, we are accidentally training them to believe that money is magic, that resources are infinite, and that carelessness has no consequence. This is the foundation of the adult who reaches for a high-interest credit card the moment they face a minor emergency. To fix this, we look to an ancient Japanese philosophy called motonai. It's the belief that every object has a soul or a purpose, and to waste it is a sign of deep disrespect. It's not about being cheap, it's about stewardship, the art of caring for what you own. Modern neuroscience backs this up. When we refuse to replace an item instantly, we are building the neural pathways for delayed gratification. This isn't just a parenting hack, it is the #1 predictor of future financial success. When the pressure moment hits, you don't need an argument, you need a policy. Start by validating the feeling. Acknowledge that losing a favorite item is frustrating. Then set the boundary. State clearly, "We are not replacing this today." Finally, give them the plan. Tell them the family is following the replacement ladder. The ladder has 3 levels. Level 1 is the search. Before a penny is spent, we check the lost and found or try a repair. Level 2 is the contribution. If the item is truly gone, the child contributes. They might wait for a birthday or use their own allowance. And finally, Level 3, budget day. We only buy replacements on a set day, usually Sunday afternoon. This kills the "I need it now" impulse that leads to adult debt. Do you want your child to learn that stuff is disposable, or that resources are to be stewarded? The choice you make at the school gate today determines the financial habits they'll have at 30. I've created a printable version of this ladder for your fridge. You can find the link in the description. Now, I want to hear your biggest pain point. Comment your child's age and the one item they lose the most. I'll reply with a custom script for your situation.